Hi, welcome to Digital Dreamland Hub. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more new technology ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the marvels of modern technology. We stand on the verge of a new era, one where self-driving airplanes will take to the skies. Imagine the possibilities, no more crowded airports or tedious check. Self-driving airplanes, also known as autonomous aerial vehicles (AAVs), are poised to revolutionize the aviation industry by enhancing safety, efficiency, and accessibility. These intelligent machines utilize sophisticated sensors, artificial intelligence (AI), and advanced algorithms to perceive their surroundings and make informed decisions regarding flight paths and maneuvers. By eliminating human error, self-driving aeroplanes have the potential to artificial intelligence (AI) and advanced algorithms significantly reduce aviation accidents. Additionally, they can optimize flight efficiency, leading to reduced fuel consumption and emissions. Moreover, self-driving aeroplanes could enable the operation of smaller, more affordable airplanes, opening up new routes and connecting remote areas currently underserved by traditional air travel. While several challenges remain to be addressed before their widespread adoption, self-driving airplanes hold immense promise for the future of air travel.